Did you know your iPhone selfies might not look the way you expect? 2 hidden camera settings can instantly make your selfies look more natural and help keep your camera performing at its best. Let me show you. First, open iPhone settings and scroll down Find Camera and open Camera app. Then find Mirror Front Camera, turn on Mirror Front Camera. By default, when you take a selfie, your iPhone flips the photo after you capture it. That's why text on your shirt or the position of your hair may look different from what you saw in the preview. When you enable Mirror Front Camera, the saved selfie looks exactly like the preview you see on screen. This makes your selfies feel more natural and consistent. Next, find Lens Cleaning Hints and turn on Lens Cleaning Hints. This feature automatically detects when your camera lens is dirty and reminds you to clean it. A quick wipe can improve sharpness, reduce blur, and help your photos look much clearer. And that's it. 2 simple iPhone camera settings that can make a big difference in your selfies. Follow for more iPhone tips and hidden features you probably didn't know existed.